Welcome to WebTrainingRoom.com. Now learn web designing, development, programming, database development, SEO, search engine optimization, digital marketing. Let's start with very basic. Learn how to create HTML page, add beautiful images, video, use CSS style sheet, how to write class. Make your first web page without any help. WebTrainingRoom.com is an online training hub for web designing, web development, digital marketing and SEO. Please visit www.webtrainingroom.com. The idea of building this platform is for students and professionals who don't have time or money to join professional courses and upgrade their career. We want to help them out. We create free tutorials on various web designing and development technologies and SEO, so that they can learn. We wish they can access good quality tutorials, and get to know about which are the skills in demand, how to get ready, etc. Also can study from their comfort zone at their convenient time. Apart from study material, we are providing many interview question answers guides, which can help them to get prepared for real-time interview. We wish everyone should be successful in life. Learn HTML and DHTML, web development step by step. Hypertext markup language and online course for beginners. Check our free HTML tutorials at webtrainingroom.com/html. CSS tutorial. Learn CSS style sheet step by step. CSS tutorial for beginners, online course for beginners. Check free HTML tutorials at webtrainingroom.com/css. ASP.NET tutorials. Learn ASP.NET online training. Check free tutorials on ASP.NET using C#. ASP.NET tutorial for beginners and professionals at webtrainingroom.com/aspnet. ASP.NET MVC Tutorials for beginner and professionals. Learn ASP.NET MVC online. We provide online training. Learn from your comfort zone at webtrainingroom.com/aspnetimvc. C# tutorial. Learn C#. Net designing and development. Free C# tutorials for beginners and professionals. C# programming training online and learn net programming from your comfort zone at webtrainingroom.com/sharp. ASP.NET Core tutorials. Learn ASP.NET Core online training. Check free tutorials on ASP.NET Core using C#. ASP.NET Core tutorial for beginners and professionals at webtrainingroom.com/aspnetcore. SQL tutorial. Learn SQL database designing and development. Free SQL tutorials. MS SQL training online. Learn from your comfort zone at webtrainingroom.com/sql. Learn SEO from very basic step-by-step implementation guide. Check our free SEO tutorial online at webtrainingroom.com/seo. Digital marketing skill has huge demand in job market. Learn digital marketing step by step. Check free digital marketing tutorials online at webtrainingroom.com/digitalmarketing. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to be the first to watch every new video.